We can go, we can go, we can go up, up. Welcome back, boys. Woo! I know y'all missed me. Hey, you can't lie. You know you missed me too. I've been gone for quite some time on the YT, but we are finally back today with a trade recap from March 12th. I actually never recorded this, but I figured since last week PA was terrible and I didn't end up catching any trades, I sat out, then we might as well just record this one. Why not? So we're going to go in and get started. My bad if there's a lag. There might be a lag. My trading view has been very laggy, and I can't figure it out why, but okay, bad, chat. Okay, bad. We got all of our levels marked out here and our liquidity, our draws for the day. So, bang. 15-minute key level up here, also a 30-minute gap, and this is probably where our prominent level is going to be of the day if I were to guess. I'm going to keep it a buck too. I don't completely remember this trade. I think it was last week actually, but I don't remember it fully. And then bang, also a 15-minute gap down here. 1 hour gap that I will show you guys here that you have to keep in mind of because again, look, a little bit above there. Look at that. But hold on. Okay, there we go. This is a 1 hour gap that we're trading in, so I would love to see that get inversed, or respected it, right? I can't even talk right now, it's too late. And my trading views glitched, bro, oh my gosh. Okay, but yeah, let's go. And then we have another key level down here, and PM lows that I don't plan on targeting for the day. But here we go, let's see how market opens and plays out. Hoping for a good one, man. Hoping for a good one for you guys. Okay. Look at this. So I'm on the 5-minute time frame right now. We get a tap in to our bullish key level down here. And again, right, guys, these key levels are just imbalances in the market where I want price to target, I want price to deliver from. So say we tap into this, we could, right, I mark this out as when we tap into this, we can either respect it and go all the way up here. We can range in between levels. Or we can disrespect it, right? Tap into this one and then disrespect that, target all these, which is probably what's going to happen because we don't really have much targets above, but we have these targets below. So that's what I love to see. And we're looking to inverse that 1 hour. So there we go. That's kind of my pre-market bias / analysis. I don't even need to tap into this key level right now because we are delivering from it at 9:10. That's perfect. I typically like to see delivery from pre-market and after. So anything from 8 o'clock to 9:30, that's fine if it's delivering from a prominent level like this one, where you can just kind of tell, right? So bang, this 5-minute closes very beautifully, which actually gives us a 5-minute continuation for value gap. And we're definitely going to get a tap back here. Actually, now that I think about it. Chat, this might be a one and done here. Okay. This is the 1 minute now. So we have our level that we're coming from. Okay. Now, we created this 5-minute continuation for value gap off of market open. Okay. And we came down to tap and sweep the 1 hour and the Asia low. Now, is the 1 hour completely validated? No, just because we have a candle closure. Remember, guys, this is the 1 minute, not the 1 hour. So the 1 hour still has 12 minutes to close, or 11, right? But we did wick these Asia lows, which is actually beautiful because now we're going to come up and either respect this level. Actually, let's check the 5-minute. Okay, we're across the midline, basically. We're around the midline, so it could go either way. We could respect this level, but I really don't think so. I think we're going to continue trending lower to take out this 1 hour and the Asia lows. But certainly going to use it to get a tap back. There's our tap back. That's pretty weak, which tells me that we are not going to respect this level right here. So that creates a gap there for a nice inversion if we get one. Going to remove this level because we are disrespecting that, which is actually perfect. Again, guys, 10 minutes till the 1 hour close, which gives us confirmation to basically know that we are going to trend lower to close below this 1 hour and take out these Asia lows, as well as target that prominent level. That is another prominent level for us, guys. This could be a target. That could fully be a target. Okay, so what do we have? We've delivery from our prominent level right here, up there, okay? Then a continuation for a gap. There's no 15 minutes since we just opened, but there is a 5-minute, a very nice 5-minute. So we have a 5-minute continuation for a gap. Then what do we need after that? We need to tap back into that gap. This is our tap back, guys. It's a very weak wick, but it's a tap back. And look at that V-shaped reaction off the data lows. I'm going to stop yapping, but now I'm just talking because if this inverses, which it actually looks like it's going to, bang, that's beautiful. Clear displacement. Love to see it. But yeah, now that we have our inversion, cleave, V-shaped reaction, all of that good stuff, this is looking to be a good trade. So now I'm going to keep it a buck. It is coming back to me. I do remember taking this trade. Obviously I stuck with my 1-2 RR, but again, guys, this is a very prominent level for me, so we can use that as a target for 2.5 RR, 2.55, whatever. Okay. Ooh, that sound is pure. Okay. Stop loss is cooked. Stop loss is cooked. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I genuinely do not want to hear it, bro. This is my edge, my model. I don't want to hear your stop loss placement. I don't care. I really don't care. And I'll show you why in a second. Because this... Oh, what did I just do, bro? Alright. But chat, we're entered. We are entered into this trade. This looks beautiful. We have a break even at this low of the manipulation leg, which is beautiful. So if price closes below, remember, if it wicks, I don't care. It has to close below this line for us to go break even. And let's see how this plays out. We already know it's a banger. So what I say, price candle closure below the line to break even. Well, another little rule that I'm going to throw in there that is part of my rules, obviously. But I don't go break even off the first candle. I don't care if we get a technical break even here. If it's the first candle, I don't care. I'm not going break even. That's my rules. That's what I found. I don't care. That's just, it works, right? Bang. So now we have second candle there. Now we can break even. This will let me. Fine. +5. Sure. Sure, bro. Like, it's going to be annoying. Confirm it. Oh, why is my trading view so laggy, mud? Okay. Bang. Clean displacement, guys. This is actually beautiful. Ding. 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 I hope you guys can hear that. Otherwise, it sounded really weird. But yeah. Bang. Nice trade. 2.55. But, you know, honestly, let's just put it at 2 because this is what I took live. But again, when we have a beautiful target like that, I had one of these in my other trade recaps previously. I target that key level, right? That is completely valid to target. Now, you don't want to target a midpoint or use a fib retracement. I don't care. Just target that top line right there, right? Because we know that price is going to at least tap into it, at least reach it. But we can't say for sure how far down it's going to go. So as long as you're targeting just the top, that's fine. Because again, we get times where you literally just get a baby wick like this, or maybe even a little down here, and then you just shoot up. You really don't. It's unpredictable to say how far it's going to go down into that key level. But nonetheless, great trade, beautiful displacement, and let's see why. That's actually exactly why. That's exactly why you don't just do random. But yeah, no, perfect trade. I really like that. I'm really happy with that. What I'm not happy with is this recent price action, man. Let me go to the daily, matter of fact. I'm going to show you all the daily. This daily is wicked, bro. I think I literally already showed it, but that's ugly. And then we had all that last week, too. But yeah, all right. I'm going to quit the yap for this video. That was my market analysis, my trade recap. Delete the 1 hour because we inversed that. The Asia lows we swept through again. Delete this, and that is a target. Bang. Beautiful. beautiful. Oh, okay. I gotta get a thumbnail, guys. Hold on. Bear with me, guys. All right, let's drag this. Looks a little better. Okay. Anything but trading, bro. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all. Love this trade recap. Let me know if y'all want to see any more. I don't care if you do or do not, because I will continue to post them, man. But yeah, leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you are new, and leave a comment to let me know what trades you guys took. And that is my trade recap for today, Mud. And peace, y'all. Love y'all. Free Discord in the bio, by the way. Elevate, join up, follow the TikTok, the Instagram, the YouTube, McKay.Brooks on all socials. Code McHale Caps on Alpha Futures, and a peace, y'all.